Never miss a moment. Ultimate guide to freeing up phone storage. Caught in the storage-full dilemma at the worst possible time? Worry no more. Welcome to our ultimate guide on managing your phone storage efficiently. Let's dive into the digital cloud, your first step to endless storage. Leveraging cloud storage. Whether you are an iPhone devotee or an Android aficionado, cloud storage like iCloud or Google One is your go-to. With a few taps, you can set your phone to automatically back up photos and videos to the cloud. Navigate to your phone settings and ensure iCloud Photos or Google Backup is turned on for seamless storage management. The power of local backups. Not a fan of the cloud? No problem. Backing up your phone locally to a computer is just as effective. It's simple. For iPhones, use the Finder or iTunes. For Android, a USB connection will do the trick. This way, you keep a physical copy of all your precious memories. Declutter your messages and emails. Next up, tackle the unseen storage eaters, messages and emails. Periodically clearing out your old photos, videos and attachments can free up more space than you think. Uninstalling unused apps. Apps, especially the ones forgotten, can hog your storage. Dive into your settings and bid farewell to those you no longer use. Remember, it's about keeping what you need. Opt for lower resolution videos. Lastly, rethink your video resolution settings. Switching from 4K to 1080p or 720p can save volumes of space, letting you record more of what matters without compromise. With these simple steps, you are now equipped to capture every moment without the dreaded storage full warning. Stay ahead of the game and never miss capturing those precious moments. Hit subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital devices. Until next time, keep capturing life's wonders.